choo choo.
So we just ordered a bed frame and it came in the mail today, and I'm so excited because we've had this house for like 2 years now, and we just sleep on like our box spring and the mattress on the floor. So finally we'll have a bed frame to make the room look more put together. My husband's over there like not wanting to put it together. But it comes in this huge box. No stand, Olive. He says he can't wait. And then these other 2 boxes. I will try to show you guys a little bit of the process, and then when it's done. So this is what the bed looks like all set up. It turned out pretty good. It looks really nice. It makes the room look a little bit more put together. We just need to get nightstands and like matching dressers and stuff. But yeah, I'm happy with how it looks.